So we are here at Jatayu Eath. So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malyala and you're watching NITW Lifestyle live from Jatayu Earth Center. So we are here at Jatayu Earth Center after almost like 4 to 5 hours drive from Vagamon. We reached here Jatayu Earth Center. It's almost near to Kollam rural area. So I'll be showing you what exactly here you're going to have. So here you are going to have the statue of Jatayu. I guess you know, right? Those who know the story of Ramayana. So you know, like Ravanasura will kill Jatayu Pakshi, bird. So when she tries to save the Sita from Ravana, so when he just waves his hand, right? So Jatayu's one wing will be lost and Jatayu will just fall down. So this is the exact place where Jatayu fell. So that is the reason they have constructed a separate statue for Jatayu here. So the statue will be really epic. So I'll show you guys. So let's go. Before that, so here is our vehicle. Everyone just got down. We need to take an entry ticket, I guess. So we need to. How much? Enter ticket? Huh? Ticket enter? Before we continue with the video, I have these products to unbox. Let me just unbox this. I will show you guys what are the things there in this particular box, and I will also explain about those products. Okay, so let me just unbox this first. So I got these products from Jubilant Bhartiya. These are NutriHands, which will help you to enhance your energy, mainly for those people who are above 30, both men and women. Ab energy ko enhance with NutriHands. Along with them, I also got this particular shaker. So now let me just speak a bit about these products. So how these are helpful for those people who are age 30 plus. So it is like 100% veg, sucrose free, trans fat free, high protein and high fiber, gluten free product. So which improves your heart health, weight management, energy and immunity. In order to manage nutritional needs of adults aged 30 plus, Jubilant NutriHands is come up with these two products. One is of vanilla flavor and another is of chocolate flavor. So you can mix with both milk and water according to your choice of taste. The high fiber present in these products will lower total blood cholesterol levels. So this is how it improves your heart health, and it also enhances your immunity with the presence of vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D and astaxanthin. So you can replace this particular product as a partial meal. It also boosts your energy. Balanced with 50 nutrients, includes 13 essential vitamins and 14 minerals. Each serving of NutriHands 45 grams offers 200 kilocalories of energy, 27% protein, 29% fat. So you guys can check out the links of these products, Jubilant NutriHands, for both chocolate flavor and vanilla flavor. So this is only recommended for those adults whose age is 30 plus. So use the links in the description and just have a check about it. So let's take the tickets. 8 members are there. We'll just go up and I'll also show you there. Chalo dalo, bye. Arey, pada. You can see here. So only entry tickets will be issued here. Tickets once sold will not be refunded. Cable ticket you should take on the upstairs. So this is the entry ticket for 8 members, 1888. Cable car the paina iskolandappa. So this will be the entry points. Once after the security check, so we'll be having a entry here. So we should get in at the ropeway. So from ropeway we have to go up. There is no steps way. Crazy bro. Now ticket for ropeway bro. Arey ticket తీసుకుందాం ropeway ki. ఇది పట్టుకోరు. నేను రమ్మన్నాడు బా. Everyone is waiting here. These are the tickets. You slice car. Here you need to take the ticket and there is a waiting hall here. You need to wait until your turn comes. So once your turn comes, they'll allow you to enter the cable car and start your journey. Short and sweet journey to Jatayu statue. Cable cars. Finally, we are here at Jatayu Statue Health Center. Safety and so this is the story of this particular Jatayu Health Center. You can just read it. So I have already said right regarding Ramayana story. So the same story. This is where exactly Jatayu fell after the wing is cut by Lord Ravana. So you can just see here how good it is. The sculpture is everything good, and you can see there is a sculpture name written Rajiv Ansal. And this particular Jatayu Health Center is dedicated to women's safety and honor. Crazy. When the work for the museum is in progress, that means in future when you come here, if you come here, so you may be able to see the museum also inside this particular sculpture. We also have here food stalls. If you want to eat something, you can eat. So location is amazing actually. It's on very high top. So if you see, there will be only one wing for the statue. So exactly that's what happened, right? That is the story. One wing got chopped and Jatayu fell down with one leftover wing. That's it. So there is one ISKCON temple here. If you want to visit the temple, you can just go inside and just come out. So this is the temple of Kodanda Rama Kshetra. So ISKCON. Here photo shoot is going on. So just took a picture also. So now I'll just go and walk around once. Yeah, that's what we are planning to do.
Levante as duas mãos para cima. Todo mundo levantando a mãozinha lá em cima, todo mundo. As duas mãos. Agora. Vem no sino.
So bye bye Jatayu Eath Center. Just came out of the Jatayu Eath Center cable car. So what I felt is it's not that as worthy or as hyped as place. One time was fine, and the cost ticket cost and all this cost 536 something around 540 rupees per person. It's like huge, I guess. That's what I felt. And here you have a small gaming area and food court type. You can just sit for a while and have something or play something. One person in Zostel in Vagamon, he suggested us to try this Kulukki Sharabat. So that's why we just stopped here and took the order and taking one Sharabat. ఎట్లుంది మిన్ను?
ఇట్స్ ఓకే.
అంత హైప్ లేదా? నువ్వే చెప్పావు, అన్న చెప్పాడు తాగుదామని. Now we are going to travel to Warangal, which will be 20 kilometers from here, which will take us almost like 40 minutes, I guess. Before that, we need to have our lunch. The time is almost like 5:41. Still now we didn't have our lunch, so we'll go out and check for some nice restaurant here. We'll have our lunch there and then get into the vehicle and start our journey to Warangal. So today night, if possible, we will go to the beach, Warangal beach, like which is a famous beach in Kerala, one of the famous beach. And must visit beach. So we'll go and just visit there and enjoy the night view of the beach. Tomorrow morning we are planning for sunrise. So all those things will come in the next vlog. As of now, that will be the end of this vlog, and see you soon in the next vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye.